Unifrost R1000SVN double door fridge. You've got two doors, heavy duty spring loaded hinges on the bottom, stay open at 90. As you can see, we have 3 shelves per door, which is a total of 6 shelves, which are, you can adjust the levels of the shelving and we can add more shelves to the unit. Fully stainless steel on the inside, and on the outside 2 heavy duty fans on the evaporator for quick pull down. We have the push fit door seals and the self-closing doors. Each door is lockable. The unit is 1200 left to right, 740 deep, 1950 high, so it'll fit in all access doors. Lockable casters, and your corral controller, which is easy to control and change temperatures.